We're here with Yehuda, the developer of two houses that we've just completed. So Yehuda, why did you choose Mass Constructions?
Well, I chose Mass Constructions for a number of reasons. One, when I first met you as an individual, I wanted to size you up to see what sort of synergy and what your personality was like. And I can tell a lot from meeting in person. That was the first thing. The other reasons go back to the way you and I discussed our particular approach, almost like a D&C of sorts. And you came in on a figure that I put to you that was buildable. And for me, it was just a matter of just moving forward from then onwards.
And how did you find our approach and attitude towards the build and yourself?
Well, working closely in a tripartite way, meaning that the developer was on board from day one continuously with the architect and yourself. So there was always daily contact when I came on site, not to issue instructions necessarily, but to have that ability to work together continuously. That's very important, as opposed to giving it to the architect and the architect then instructing you. We had a very good relationship in that you provided the time, which is very important to myself, that if there were any issues or any questions we had, could be easily resolved.
And so how did you find the relationship between us throughout the build and my team as well?
Look, after you gave me permission to come on site, because you're in control of the site, it was very easy to talk to you and to talk to your team. Your team are a group of people, especially your leading foreman, very easy to very approachable. Once we had the understanding that I don't provide the instructions, they were always very easy to deal with. Just from the very start, we had a very, very good relationship because we discussed many of the issues at the very first instance, and once we had done that, we basically knew just how far to take things and how we would moving forward.
As with any build, there tends to always be some kind of construction issue that will come up. During our build, we had a couple. Can you tell us about how I handled one of them?
Look, without going into specifics, there always are issues with drawings and with as-built drawings. Architects look at the drawings as being two-dimensional, whereas a builder is always three-dimensional, and he knows how to put things together, being on site. So there were a couple of issues, but they were very easily solved because of the relationship the three of us had in brainstorming these issues. They were resolved in all issues because the buildings are now built, without affecting the actual aesthetic and without affecting costs, so no variation. And I think we were all very aware of those two things, and in each instance, those conditions were met. Put it in two words: proficient and highly efficient.
Well, thank you for a great build.
It was a pleasure. Thanks for doing such a great job. I did it on time, which is very important.
Excellent.
Thank you.